First, we need to pour the detergent into the watering can and then fill the watering can with some water. Shake it up and down to make it even. Attach the watering can to the car wash gun and spray our car with cleaning agent. This is our 6-in-1 nozzle, which has 6 modes, including 15-degree small fan, 0-degree strong direct injection, mist mode, spray mode, 40-degree large fan, and 25-degree small fan, which can be switched freely at will. Let's take a look at how each mode looks.